Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little at everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you as usual for your continued support. Now this morning we are in Manchester in a place called Cobbler and we are heading down a hill way over, and we're going to invite you on the journey with us. We're going to meet a lady who is in need of some assistance. So in the meantime, please remember to like, to share and to subscribe, so once we upload a new video you will be notified. All right, so come on the journey with us. All right. What? Okay. Okay. All right. Marcel, how you reach down this so? I jump off? Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're heading down a road. The lady who we just spoke to, who would have engaged us for some assistance for this lady, just told us that it's a far way down. But anyhow, she said that the lady whose name is Miss Rita is on her way to meet us. So we should meet her about midway thereabout and see I walk with a rag because I don't know what to expect. So, okay, that is it. Hi, good morning. Miss Rita, how are you? Okay. Oh my goodness. This is the road I take every day to come up? Oh my gosh. Okay. You're tired? Oh my God. So we're going to head back down the hill. Okay. Because we want to come and see where you are. Okay. All right, so you can lead the way.
The people here, they just give me a little
pass.
Track, yes.
Okay.
Through their place.
So they help you out a bit because you'd have to go around the longer way.
Yes, miss.
Oh my God. So how you manage when it rains? Are you coming in or so?
Still have to come through.
So sometimes you walk down in the rain?
Yes, miss.
Oh my gosh.
And the children, when they come from school, some majority of the times they don't come in the rain.
Okay, they have to wait. So sometimes they come late because they have to wait until the rain stops.
Yes, miss.
How many children?
I have 10 children, one died, leave 9.
Oh, you have 10 children? So where Rashawn fall? Where fall Rashawn?
Third one.
You're the third one? Wow, so how old are you?
29.
29. You don't look like 29. You look younger. Oops. Oh, wow. Oh boy, I'm not worried about going down. I'm more worried about coming back up.
Okay, coming back up is the harder part.
I can just imagine because we're actually going downhill.
That's why it took me so long to reach.
Also, she called you, Miss Bennett called you a long time.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Marcel, if you tired yet? Wow. Irish potato. Oh, wow. Okay. So when you're going to work, this is where you're going to walk to go back up?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
You know what my grandparents do so far?
Your grandparents?
You know what they do so far?
Oh my God. So they used to live here before you?
Yes, miss. And they died.
Okay. Wow. It's really far. Oh my gosh. Look where we're coming from, Marzel.
Almost there, almost.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
We are here.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay. Whew. Hi. Good morning. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. I have to take a breath. All right, so Miss Rita, talk to us, about your situation. So first of all, state your name and just tell us, about your current situation, and then you can talk to us about, why you would have reached out to us.
Well, my name is Rita Harris. And I'm 48 years old. And, well, my situation is bad. My children, some of them, they work, they help me, but they have their problems to take care of.
Yes,
So
and
I can't really rely on them
rely on
for
them.
everything.
And how many children do you have?
I have 9 children, 10, one died, leave 9. And I have 3 young ones going to school, that one there in the red shirt, and the other 2 small ones going to school.
Okay, what's the ages? What's the oldest or the youngest?
The oldest one is 33 years old,
Okay.
and the youngest, she's 8 years old.
Okay, so you said they help you. Those of your children that are working, sometimes they
Yes.
help,
Yes,
but
miss.
you are still in a dire position.
Right.
Okay, so talk to us about what life is like on a day-to-day basis.
Well, sometimes it's rough because I can find food, but many of the time I can find money to give them to go to school. So it's kind of hard, but I try my best. And my my house now it needs to fix. On the other side there, that room on there is leaking. Want some zinc and support. When anything I can get, I will take it.
Okay, what do you do for a living?
Days work like washing, cleaning, clean windows. Any little thing I get to do, I'll do it.
Okay, because you have a day work to go to when we're finished
Yes,
with this
miss.
interview.
Yes.
Okay, so in terms of sending the children to school, that's your sole responsibility. You don't have any help in terms of their dad?
He'll help, but not often because some of most he works, but he drinks.
Okay,
So the money sometimes, but that he give me, he cannot help.
okay, okay. Okay,
And
so he lives
sometimes,
with you?
yes,
You're living together?
yes, miss.
Oh, okay. All right. So you're saying that what would be your issue that you need help with? Food?
Food, money, any little thing.
Any little thing you get?
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay. So all the children, how many of the children living with you now?
3.
Okay,
That one there with the red shirt and the 2 small one that gone to school.
oh, so where are the others
But
living?
he's living at my mother's house. The others are living by themselves.
Oh, because they're grown.
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay. All right. So I don't know if you want to show us this
But
space, what it looks like and so on. Okay. So we can't, we don't really want.
come on, you can come.
Okay. Oh, when you come in here, you almost gave me a fright. Yes. Okay, so this is the space.
Yes,
Is
miss.
one room?
Two, but yeah, as I said, the other one is leaking, so nobody can stay around there.
Okay, okay. So that is what you say you would need help with.
Yes, miss.
Oh. Okay, so how many are you live in this room here?
Me, baby father, and the 3 children.
Okay. So it would be him
Yes, miss.
and the
The other
two
two that at
going
school
to school.
and their father.
Okay, okay. All right. So can we so what is it like living in a space like this?
Missy very bad.
You have an outside kitchen?
No, I
Oh.
cook right there.
Oh, you cook right here, so okay. Okay, so can we see the other space
Yes.
that you say needs repair? Oh, okay. I see. So you just use it for storage right now.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so you have to carry water.
When no rain is not falling, but like when rain fall now, I have water in the black tank and I full up all these
So
containers.
okay, so where do you bring the water from when you don't have any?
Out at the main road.
Oh, so that road we just walk come down, you would have to go up that hill, go the main road for the water?
Yes, miss.
You carry it too or just the
Me and the
children?
children.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So you did mention earlier that your grandparents used to live here.
Yes.
So is it that you would have inherited this place from them?
Yes, miss.
Okay. How long ago was that you inherited this place?
My grandmother died 2012 and my grandfather died 2006.
Okay, okay. So a couple of years, well.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Oh, wow. So do you have electricity here?
No, miss.
So how you get light and stuff?
I have to buy kerosene oil every weekend to use lamp.
Oh, so it's a lamp you use at night?
Yes, miss. Or candle.
Or candles?
But I don't really sleep with the candles light.
Because that could be dangerous.
Yes, miss.
So how the kids get to do the homework and those things?
Phone light.
Phone light?
And me have to charge the phone up at Miss Bennett's house. Or up at my mother's house.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. So when it rains, because I don't know, I know you say you cook in the room, so you pretty much do everything in that one room.
Yes, miss.
So you don't have an outside bathroom
No, miss.
and no outside kitchen.
We bed outside.
Okay, okay. Okay, so talk to us about what the situation is like when it rains, because I'm looking outside and I notice it's really wet and soggy on the ground.
Inside the room that I sleep, don't really wet. But inside this room, when it rain, it flood. Literally flood out.
Okay.
So nothing cannot be done around here.
Okay.
See, I have to lean up the beds because I can't use them.
The water come in.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, so no window is over there neither?
No, miss.
Okay, and the top is really in a deplorable condition.
And me have to nail this whole door at this one because no window isn't there either.
Okay, so I hear your story. So pretty much you're saying that you need help with food
Yes.
and what else?
Electricity
Okay.
and all of the above.
Okay.
A fridge, anything I can get.
So how often do you do this work?
Sometimes I work like 3 days a week. Sometimes I don't get any none at all.
So when you don't get any work, what happens?
I have to rely on my children.
Oh, I see. Okay, so if it's a case where they don't have it, what happen? What you do?
Well, Miss Bennett always help me,
That's the lady who
and
called us
yes,
on your behalf.
and his son
Oh,
and his son wife, they always help me.
okay, okay. All right. All right, guys. So you heard Miss Rita's plea. You hear of her situation. She explained to us, our living situation, how it goes when it comes to food and so on. And so if you're in a position, we're asking on her behalf to please assist where you are able to. And you say, if it's food, any little thing, that was what she said. So any little thing that anybody is able to assist you with,
Yes,
you would be
miss.
more than grateful.
I would be grateful.
Okay, okay. So the kids gone to school is what? 8 and how much?
8 and 10.
8 and 10. Okay, okay. So how do they manage? Is there a time when you find that you don't have funds to send them to school?
Yes, miss.
So there are days when they stop from
I
school?
don't really stop them.
You always manage to send them?
Yes, miss.
Okay, that's very good.
Because my daughter, she's on the principal's on her roll.
Yes,
Yes.
that's very good. What? So she does well?
Yes, miss.
Yes, even though she have to use the phone line to do her assignments and so on.
Yes, miss.
Oh, so how they manage, how they take it? I mean, the situation and all of that.
Well, they always say, Mommy, when we are going to get one TV,
Oh,
me always tell them, say, God, soon provide one.
yeah. Oh, okay.
So please, anything you can help me with, I would be grateful. I would like to be electricity, a television, fridge, anything I can get to help my children. I'll be grateful.
Okay.
And the roof needs to fix. If you can help me, please, I'll be grateful for it.
Okay. All right. So well said. So, guys, this is where we end the video for today. And if you're in a position to help, please reach out to us at 512-4055. I think I should say 876-512-4055. All right. So this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.